Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, my dear students of grade 5? I hope you all will be fine. Here's your teacher, Mrs. Naula, with the subject of English reading and writing. Today we are going to do comprehension task for the lesson Whitewater Adventure. During our previous lecture, we did words, meanings and sentences for the same lesson. There are certain objectives for our today's online lecture. The students will learn how to comprehend the text. They will be able to answer the questions. My dear students, whatever the question is given to you regarding the lesson or story, you must be competent and qualified enough to compose your own answers. While you are drafting out your own answer, make sure that you are not adding any unnecessary information. And also, you cannot delete any important information. Okay? So you have to be precise, be accurate, and be proficient to write the correct answers. It's not necessary for you people to write the same answer as I am dictating to you. As you conceive the idea, as you perceive the concept and plot of the story, you can compose your own answer, but it should have a complete relevancy with the main idea. I hope you will have got my point. Now we are moving towards our main lesson. For the lesson Whitewater Adventure, the first question is, who is Marta in the story? Who is Marta in the story? And here's the answer. Marta, who is 14, is Nina's sister. Marta, who is 14, is Nina's sister. In other words, you can say Marta is the sister of Nina. That answer is also acceptable. Nothing wrong. Okay. You can say Marta, whose age is 14, is the sister of Nina. That's also very much nice. Anyhow, our question number 1 is, who is Marta in the story? And the answer is Marta, who is 14, is Nina's sister. Question number 2, who mapped out the route and what problem they had? And here is the answer. Mom mapped out the route. Actually, their raft had stuck on some rocks. Question number 2, who mapped out the route and what problem they had? And here is the answer. Mom mapped out the route. Actually, their raft had stuck on some rocks. And this was the main problem. Number 3 question. How was the problem solved? How was the problem solved? Please write your answer. The problem finished when the raft was lifted away from the rocks. Question number 3. How was the problem solved? And here is the answer. The problem finished when the raft was lifted away from the rocks. Question number 4. Did anyone come to help out the family? Please write the answer. Nobody came there as the family helped themselves to get out of the problem. Question number 4. Did anyone come to help out the family? Please write down the answer. Nobody came there as the family helped themselves to get out of the problem. My dear students, so far we have concluded our comprehension task for the lesson Whitewater Adventure. I hope you will have written all the answers very well. Please revise all this stuff at least twice at your home. See you next time with a new lesson, with a new idea. Till then, bye-bye. Stay home, stay safe.